Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install Anaconda Python on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. For this, copy this link and go to Anaconda website. Now on the top over here you can see product options. So click on product and then select the edition which you want. Mostly individual edition is used, so click on it. And here you can see the download option. Click on download and then run this exe file. Now click on next, agree. You can select all user if you want for all user, or you can select just me and then click on next, install, and let the installation complete. Now click on next and again next and then click on finish. Now software has been installed. Now to check you can type in Anaconda in Windows search box, and here you should be able to see Anaconda command prompt, then Anaconda navigator, and then Anaconda PowerShell prompt, Spider, Jupyter. So you should be able to see all the application over here. Now you can open Anaconda navigator. Now over here you can see everything. So here you can see the launch option, and if you want additional software you can go ahead and install it from here. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.